In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage property groups in HubSpot. Property groups are an essential feature in HubSpot that help organize and categorize properties, making it easier to manage your data effectively. Whether you're dealing with contacts, companies, or any other object in HubSpot, maintaining a structured group system is crucial for efficiency and clarity. Let's dive into the step-by-step process for creating, editing, cloning, moving, and deleting these groups. To start off, let's look at how you can create a new property group. The first step is to navigate to settings by clicking on the gear icon in your HubSpot account. Once you're in the settings area, look to the left sidebar, where you'll need to select properties under the Data Management section. Next, you'll choose the object, such as contacts or companies, for which you wish to manage groups. After selecting the appropriate object, head over to the Groups tab and click on Create Group. You'll be prompted with a dialog box where you can enter a name for your new group. Once you've entered the desired name, simply click Save, and your new property group will be ready to use. Now, if you need to edit an existing property group, start by returning to your settings. As before, in the sidebar, choose Properties under Data Management and select the object you're working with. Go back to the Groups tab, hover over the group you want to edit, and click Edit. In the dialog box that appears, enter the new name for your group, then confirm the change by clicking Save. This quick process allows you to keep your group names relevant and updated as your organizational needs evolve. Next up, let's talk about cloning a property group. This is particularly helpful if you want to create a new group with similar properties to an existing one. As always, begin from the settings, access the properties under Data Management, and choose your object. On the Groups tab, locate the group you wish to clone and hover over it. Click on Clone, and when the dialog box appears, enter a unique name for your cloned group. Finish by clicking Save as, and you'll have a new group ready to be tailored further. Moving a property from one group to another is surprisingly straightforward. After heading to Settings and selecting Properties under Data Management, choose the object and once again, click on the Groups tab. Locate the specific property you want to move, hover over it, and click the drop-down arrow. From there, select Move to Group, then choose the new group you want the property to belong to. Click Move to complete the process. Finally, if you ever need to delete a property group, navigate to Settings, select Properties, and choose your object. On the Groups tab, hover over the group you aim to delete, click Delete, and confirm your decision on the dialog box by clicking Delete again. By mastering these actions, you can ensure your HubSpot property groups are always organized and aligned with your data management goals. Thank you for watching, and feel free to refer back to this guide as you navigate your HubSpot environment.